Hey guys, Danny here, back with another video for you. Today we are taking a look at some Bluetooth headphones. These might be the best value ones I've found so far. These were sent to me for review, and as always, I'll put a link down in the description if you want to pick these up. Holyhigh has also sent me a coupon code so you can get yourself an even better deal. You can pick these up for £32, and I think that is a steal, and I'll be telling you why in the rest of this video. I've tested quite a few Bluetooth headphones now around this £30 to £50 price point, and these are definitely the best build quality that I've got around this price range. So for that reason, these are off to a good start. They come with specs and features that you would expect around this price range. They have active noise cancellation. They also support Bluetooth 5.0, and you can also use an audio jack with these as well. If you've seen my videos before, you know my taste in tech is normally to keep it nice and simple in terms of the color scheme, so no doubt I am impressed with these as they are quite stealthy and not too over the top. I know some of you would probably prefer some colored headphones or some bright colors. There's nothing wrong with that, but I generally prefer a darker, more minimalist look to my tech, so I am a fan of these. Pairing the headphones couldn't be any simpler. Turning them on, if they aren't already paired to a device, they will go into pairing mode. They'll show up on your Bluetooth list on your smartphone of choice. You can connect to them, and you will also get a battery indication if you are using the latest version of Android. When it comes to sound quality, these also perform very well. The bass is nice and punchy and up there with the best that I have used. Vocals are nice and clear, and even on max volume, the audio quality holds up quite well. On some songs, you do get some distortion if you crank it right up, but generally I was impressed with how these perform. Now you have to bear in mind the price range that these are at, and they aren't going to compete with any expensive headphones that you may be used to. These are good if you're on a budget, and out of the budget headphones I've tested, I would say their audio quality is up there with the best for this price range. When it comes to fit and comfort, I felt perfectly fine wearing these for long periods of time. However, if you are wearing these in a hot environment or while you're exercising, the earpads are quite thick and your ears do become quite sweaty quite quickly, so bear that in mind, especially as I said, if you're going to be using these during exercise. Even while skipping here, they didn't really move around much on my head, and at the same time they didn't feel too tight. The connection was also solid. I didn't have any problems with the connection dropping in and out. The active noise cancellation feature can be switched on and off at any time and is indicated by this little green LED of when it's active. Now, while it doesn't make a huge difference to blocking out sound around you, it definitely does make you feel more immersed in the music. If this is something you haven't experienced before, it's harder to explain, but it just feels like the song is more immersed around your ear. When it comes to battery life and charging, you can charge these up in around 2.5 hours, which is a little bit slow compared to some that I've used that will charge in an hour. So I would have liked some slightly faster charging speeds, but it's not the end of the world. It's also worth noting you can use the headphones while they are charging. Additionally, if they are completely dead, you can even plug in the audio cable and continue to use them with a completely flat battery. That, coupled with the roughly 17 to 18 hours of battery life, should keep you going for most of the time, and I don't think battery life will be an issue for you here unless you are an extreme power user and you can't get access to top these up fairly regularly. So if you're on a budget, these might be one of the best options you can pick up right now. And as always, if you want to pick these up, there'll be a link down in the description for you. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.